Are you getting an error message on your Excel spreadsheet saying you've got a circular reference, but you don't know where it is? I'm going to show you how you can find it quickly and easily. Click on the Formulas tab and click on Error Checking, Circular References, and here you'll see the cells that have circular references and the sheet. So it says Data Cell G18 and Data Cell J18. So those two cells have circular references. Now you may notice that in the bottom left-hand corner on the status bar, it also says circular references, but it'll only tell you of a circular reference on that specific sheet. If you go to the Formulas section, that'll actually tell you the specific cell and sheet. For example, if I go to the pivot table tab here that I've got, it says a circular reference in O2, but that's only because this is referencing the data sheet that contains that actual circular reference. So it can be a bit misleading. So if I go to the Formula tab, I know that it's actually on the Data tab, and this is causing all the problems, these two cells here. So this is referencing total sales, and total sales is referencing those two values. So if I change this and just key in a value, let's say 150, now that's going to update my calculation and get rid of those circular references, even the one on my pivot table that was doing that summary. So it was kind of giving me a false indicator that there's a circular reference here, when really the circular references were coming from the data sheet. So when in doubt, go to the Formula tab, check under Error Checking, and look for whatever cells show up on the circular references. Looking at the status bar can be a bit misleading, and it may not point you into the right direction.